pelvic wall, which is made up of bones, ligament, membrane and muscles. So we already learned about the bones. Now the ligaments and the membranes. So the membrane are obturator membrane, which closes the greater part of the obturator foramen over here and complete the lower part of the lateral wall of pelvis. So here is present the obturator membrane, and another is sacrotuberous and sacrospinous ligament over here. So over here sacrotuberous and sacrospinous ligament is present, which convert the notch into forming a greater sciatic foramen and lesser sciatic foramen respectively. Now the muscles. The muscles are obturator internus and piriformis. So the muscles obturator internus is present over here, which form the anterolateral part of the inside from the bony pelvis. So here is the obturator internus, and here posteriorly there is a piriformis, which form the posterior wall of the pelvis. Now the anatomical position of bony pelvis. So bony pelvis, which is formed 50 to 60 degree with the horizontal plane. So it is holding like this. This is the anatomical position of bony pelvis. So now the pelvic floor, it is formed by the pelvic diaphragm, which consists levator ani muscle and the coccygeus muscle. So it resembles as a hammock or gutter-like. So the pelvic diaphragm separates the perineum below from the pelvis above. So next is pelvic cavity. It is continuous above pelvic cavity, which is continuous above with the abdominal cavity at the pelvic brim. So it is limited below by the pelvic diaphragm. So the structure crossing the pelvic inlet or pelvic brim. So this structure either come from upward to the lesser pelvis or from leaving from the lesser pelvis and going towards the greater pelvis. So the structures are medial sacral vessels, sympathetic trunk, lumbosacral trunk, iliolumbar artery, obturator nerve, internal iliac vessels, middle limb of the sigmoid mesocolon and the rectal vessels, ureter, sigmoid colon, ovarian vessels in female, ductus deferens in male, and ligament of uterus in female, lateral umbilical ligament, median umbilical ligament, autonomic nerve plexuses, coils of intestine and pregnant uterus, and the full urinary bladder.